my 4th of July inspired pastry skewer. Here's what we're doing. Store-bought pound cake. Simple store. This could be the freezer one, cooked in brown butter. So here's what you do, guys. So this is when I bring the girls in, and my daughter, my 4-year-old daughter, loves to cook. So what we have right here is just a little bit of condensed milk, and we take this pound cake that's all brown buttered up. Yes. This right here, just dipped in there and eat that, is absolutely phenomenal. But this is where you can involve the kids. If you're having family come over for the first time, in-laws, have them do something because you haven't seen them in a while. That's always great, right?
Dial it back. It's a holiday.
Oh, I love them! It's good. So, and then a little bit of pound cake goes inside there. And so what you're going to do is
My mom always had pound cake on hand in the fridge or the freezer. And my mother could do just like this. So many things with pound cake, it would make your head spin. She loved this trick.
I know, I love your mom. Here we go. So in this pound cake that has condensed milk and brown butter pound cake, a little bit of lemon zest because there's a lot of fat going on.
Oh, yeah, you need the lemon zest.
Yep.
Yes, you do.
Okay, and then a little bit of ginger because we have ginger in our savory. I'm going to reinforce it into the sweet and make sure the thread is going across the whole board. Okay, so here's what I like to do, and this is what I learned about having my little girls in the house. Even if you can just give them a job, bring over the little stool and say, here, Olive, take this. Here, Rach, take this. And then all you do is just take your little tablespoons. Take your ball now and then throw it right inside powdered sugar. All right, so pre-store-bought pound cake with a little bit of condensed milk, a little ginger, a little bit of lemon zest. Then you take these guys, here's some preformed ones right here, and then you take them, and just like so, and they can be refrigerated, and look at this, and you can have the kids come in and help, and then you can take, what would be really cool if you want to do the Thai-inspired, take I can't look at you.
I know.
Dragon fruit, whatever you guys want, pineapple, but some blueberries goes on top of this, and Rach, come over here. And
hang on, I'm ripping off the sugar.
So come over here and try my 4th of July inspired pastry skewer. Pastry skewer.
It looks amazing. Your pastry skewer looks amazing.
I put so much time into writing this recipe, but
it's delicious.
But great thing.
It really is. It's delicious.
But try it with a little bit of yogurt. Done. You have now taken kebabs. You've turned them into a whole new 4th, and it's simple and delicious. That looks good.
We had fun. We joked around, but we're also here to serve you. So tell everybody what you're up to. What are you working on? Where have you been going? Where are you going next? What's going on?
Traveling again, and I have to tell you this. There's one thing I'm super proud about. For 16 years, I've had a catering company. I know a lot of our brothers and sisters out there in the restaurant world have learned to pivot, and I know people are pivoting back into restaurants. It's something that I kept, and I got to tell you, Rach, and I remember I spoke to you about this. We shipped out over 1,000 corporate boxes during COVID. I employed all my staff during COVID. And the crazy thing about it is now, 2 years back up, I have more weddings booked this year. Whoa. More birthday parties, more bar mitzvahs, everything. And everybody's just like, hey, you free tomorrow? And I'm like, no, but double book it, baby. Let's go. I'm going to go ahead and cook. My catering company turned 16. I'm proud of it.
16 for us, too. We are both sweet 16.